Hi everyone, this is Prashant, and here I am to tell you a basic introduction about my unit, which is the Legal and Internal Affairs Unit. So, what are we and why are we? We are the team which has been supporting the EMA and the management board for all their activities which involve a law or an agreement or anything which involves risk. Since EMA is a registered organization under the Belgian laws, AISBL, the term that you may be reading many places, which basically means the non-profit international non-governmental organization, we have to comply with various laws, various regulations, and ensure that there are a lot of compliances and following of law that's happening inside. So that is what we do. So in summary, we are uh, literally the in-house legal team for EMA and the management board. Management board consists of all the directors of the different units, and EMA basically means the entire organization with its member, with its projects, with its PRs, CRs, everyone. And we are the team which handle all their legal requirements, legal queries, questions, documents, etc. So what is our structure? We divide our activities into three parts. First is internal affairs, which basically means handling of internal activities of the organization, like volunteering agreements, etc. Second is partnership assistance, where we handle all the agreements and documents that are related to, or any email communication, or anything which is crucial and important that requires legal eyes. That is related to a third party organization. It can be a partner, it can be a consortium, it can be a EC, it can be SI, it can be anyone. And rest everything falls under the category of general assistance. So why do we do what and what do we do? What is our activities and why are those activities required? Let's have a brief look at it. So our main work is to safeguard the work of EMA, the interests of EMA, as compared to any other third party or second party with which we are interacting with. Also, we have to ensure that all the activities of EMA, and activities of EMA means activities of management board, activities of the members of EMA, its volunteers, is all lawful in nature. There is nothing which is wrong and illegal, whether it is local laws or the international laws or the Belgian laws where the EMA is registered. Also, our other main work is to give legal advisory to the management board and to keep the EMA and the management board updated with the law, the regulations of the EC, the law related to the non-profit organizations registered with the Belgium authorities, and other such activities. Why is this required? Because, as I told first, EMA is a registered AISBL. Second, there should not be any implication against EMA or the management board or the EMA members. It has been in the past where some things have been claimed against EMA by some third parties for non-completion of work that they have done or for violation of any uh, 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 say materials that they have used for presentation and other things. So that all has to be checked and that has to be made aware to the members and the volunteers of EMA how to work on these areas without getting implicated. Having said that, what do we actually do? So what our main day-to-day activity is, we draft and reviews agreements. We draft and review the letters and the official communications that we send to EC, the service providers, or the external lawyers. We develop the standard operating procedures and internal guidelines, and also all the units also have their own SOPs for their own work. That also we have the task is to review them. We try to give advice and try to interpret on the laws and the directives and the notifications that are coming from the EC or from any other third party, which may affect the working of EMA. We also provide a lot of we also draft a lot of templates that can be used for regular work. For example, the GDPR templates, for example, templates for disclaimer of copyright and other things that are used by the various units, and they can be taken up here in their regular day-to-day work. We also have a look at GDPR whenever there is a database being collected, whether it is an Excel sheet, a Google form, or emails, or any other document that is coming in and giving information about the members of EMA or outside people, or if the database of EMA members is being shared outside, we have it. We ensure the compliance of GDPR, as in nothing is being violated and there is no claim that can rise against EMA. Also, we review a lot of official documents and reports that is generated by the MR teams, the MR units, and also some of the reports are generated by us. And in summary, as I said, we act as the in-house lawyers for all the working of MI and the management board. So what has been our highlights? Some of our highlights that we have worked in last 1 year is we created the MOUs, template MOUs for partnership with the sponsors, and also template MOUs for collaborations with the EMJMD consortium. So we have been working a lot, as my other colleagues must have been must be telling you in their presentation, that we have been working a lot with external partners and also with consortiums to work as advertising channel and promotion partners, and also give visibility to each other by way of mutual work. We also drafted the privacy policy and reviewed the privacy policy for the community portal that has been created, and ensure that it contains all the GDPR requirements. It meets all the GDPR requirements, and it is ensuring that there is no right being violated. We have been actively working with the community portal developers and the service providers, and bringing the management members on board, so that everyone is following the procedure to the T, and the statute and the internal regulations to the T, and fair chance is being given to everyone. We created volunteering agreement, and for both volunteers at EMA at any level, and also for the management board, which all of us have signed physically. Sounds interesting, right? Yes, it is. All the lawyers and people interested in transactional work there, I can assure you, you're going to have a lot of drafting experience. Drafting of various things. It can be guidelines, agreements, contracts, SOPs, and you are going to work with diverse legal issues, issues that you have never seen in your life before, and you have never imagined how to deal with such situations, because they are completely new, which we never get to see in our regular day-to-day lives. You will be able to see some experience in international law and relationship, because we'll be working with EC and partners located all over the world, and also, of course, our volunteers located all over the world. And sometimes the environment will be quite challenging with short reward time, as always, all lawyers do. So, giving a small background about me. So, I've been working with the legal and internal affairs unit for last 1 year, when I was selected as the head during the selection of the new management board last year. And before that, I have been for a few months actively working with the previous steering committee, to draft the internal regulations and the statute as they stand right now. Before that, I've been an active volunteer, also working in the India chapter board. But I have to tell you that I started working with Emma when I first attended the General Assembly in 2017. I was already the India chapter's board member, and I attended in that capacity. But I got to know the real power of Emma when I actually attended a General Assembly. You get to know what kind of projects they are working on. You get to see the energy of the volunteers, of the team members, the camaraderie that we all share. And there is no turning back since that day. I have attended two General Assemblies and one virtual General Assembly before that. And I have always been only motivated more. And instilled to work more for Emma, and to contribute back to whatever I have gained from my experiences. So I sincerely call you to attend the General Assembly that is coming up this weekend. And if you want to apply to join the Legal and Internal Affairs unit, I welcome you to write down to us through the volunteer hiring pages on the Emma website. And also, if you have any queries, suggestions, feedbacks, or any questions that you would like to ask about the working, about what kind of work that you will be getting, please feel free to write to me at legal@m.a.eu. And yes, see you at the virtual assembly 2020. Ciao.